Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you the latest news and new bag collection from Louis Vuitton. I'm going to share to you all the information that you need to know, from names, product codes, prices, launch dates, and features. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availability, kindly check with your CAs and the website. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so let us start with the new collection of LV for the Easter Gift Accessory Collection launching April 17, 2026. First, we have the Louis Vuitton Notebook Easter Bunny, priced at 110 USD. We have the SKU here. So this is a classic Louis Vuitton notebook. So this is the back part, and also have the Easter Bunny print at the front of the Louis Vuitton notebook. Perfect for gifting. Then we have the notebook cover size MM, price at 805 USD. We have SKU here GI1590, made of monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. So this is the back part, and these are the close-up view of the print of the Easter design. So as you can see front, we can see the very gorgeous and cute Easter bunny. Then guys, next we have the Truce Elizabeth. So price at 515 USD. We have the SKU here GI1600. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. So as you can see, the cowhide leather trims is like in the light purple colorway. Comes with gold hardware, of course. Then it will come with the Easter print design on either side of the Truce Elizabeth. And then we have a plush Easter rabbit. So as you can see, price it's 685 USD, still from the Easter Gift Accessory Collection. So this is the close-up view. So as you can see, the rabbit or the bunny is holding a plush pillow with have the LV monogram, and of course the feet of the rabbit is made of classic monogram canvas in the monogram design. Then we have the Vivian Wonderland, price at 3,450 USD. We have the SKU here of GI1609. So as you can see, this is the close-up view of Vivian. Actually, I really do love the combination of this one. So Vivian is holding a heart-shaped balloon with LV print, and on one side on her head, we have the Easter bunny. How cute is this one? Then guys, so going back to the flight mode collection as promised, since I have more photos and prices. First, we have the Pochette Cosmetique. Price of this one is 725 USD. So from the flight mode collection that has launched April 10th. So check already the website and your CAs for the to purchase. So the material of the flight mode collection is monogram canvas in June with cowhide leather trims. Then guys, how gorgeous is this Speedy Soft 30 in bandolier, price at 4,100 USD. So this is a softer version of the Speedy. So as you can see, it is a little bit slouchier. Same material of the monogram canvas in June. So this is the interior. Then of course it comes with cowhide leather trims. So next on the collection, so we have the very beautiful side trunk size GM, price at 4,200 USD. So what's updated with this side trunk, as you can see, it comes with an extra chain that could elongate the top handle, the leather top handle of the side trunk. So perhaps with just one strap, you could carry this one as a longer shoulder body like this one. Also, it comes in the Dune colorway with the print like the keys all over the bag. Then of course we have the trunks, or the Speedy trunk size 20. So this is new. I wasn't able to showcase this one from our preview. So we have the SKU here, M29470. So the main material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trips, and we are going to see this time the print are like patches. Then it comes with leather strap and leather top handle. Then of course guys, so we have now the price for the Capucines Weekender, price at 8,500 USD, still from the Flight Mode collection. So guys, now I'm able to confirm that the material of this one is canvas, the white part. Then of course it would come with Tyrolean leather trims. Then the leather top handle is a little bit longer. Then it comes with a bag charm, of course. Then still part guys of the Flight Mode collection. First, we have the hobo size MM. So we don't have the prices as of the moment yet, but as you can see, we have the SKU. So the main material is suede leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is cognac. Then it would come with a monogram canvas pochette that you could use on this bag and on other bags as well. Then for the hobo size MM, it would come with the dark fango colorway, SKU M29144. Material is calfskin suede leather. So this is the close-up view of the closure, because the strap you could adjust it, so you could lengthen it or you could maybe shorten it. Then it would still come with the mini monogram canvas pochette, as we could see here. Then how gorgeous is this, all in size BB. So we have the SKU here, M29112. So this is the interior. So the main material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is beige, and of course it would still come with the monogram canvas pochette. So this is launching April 10th. So that is a close-up view. So a little bit identical with the hobo MM that we have showcased, with the closure with the LV padlock in color gold, just like with this hobo PM SKU M29068. So material is calfskin leather, and it would come with cowhide leather trims. So this is the close-up view again of the padlock, so you could lengthen the strap as you wish. So what do you think? Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Then we have more new bags guys. So first we have the Speedy P920 in bandolier. Price is 8,500 USD. We have the SKU here. So the material of this one is calfskin leather, and the most special part of the Speedy P9 is the embroidered with beads, the Louis Vuitton monogram. Once we close up, then of course it would come with cowhide leather trims, detachable leather pochette, and bag strap as well. Then how gorgeous is this lineup BB, perfect for everyday, for travel, for work. Price at 2,000 euro or 2,280 USD. So material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. As you can see, it comes with a leather strap, so you could wear this one as a shoulder bag. It also comes with a longer strap, so you could wear this one as a crossbody. How perfect this bag is. Then next guys, we have the Express MM, price at 4,500 USD. Material is the very beautiful suede leather in colorway khaki. It would come with monogram canvas trim, like for example the strap, detachable leathers canvas strap. Then it comes with the monogram pochette as well. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!